Hi and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm sharing my full moon parasite cleanse routine, why I do it and how I prepare my herbs. And I hope this gives you a clear picture of my process and helps you in your own natural health journey. So why do I cleanse around the full moon? I found that parasites are most active during the full moon due to changes in our serotonin levels, which can make them easier to flush out. So I start my cleanse 3 days before the full moon and continue for a total of 7 days to maximize the effectiveness. I find that spreading out these herbs throughout the day allows my body to process and detox gently. Starting on the full moon's lead up maximizes the cleanse's effectiveness. So first thing in the morning, I start with 1 teaspoon of food grade diatomaceous earth mixed in a glass of water on an empty stomach. Now I increase by 1 teaspoon each day until I reach 1 tablespoon. When I was a beginner, I increased it every other day to give my body time to adapt, and it's important that I drink plenty of water throughout the day to help flush out the toxins. Now I wait 30 minutes after taking diatomaceous earth before preparing my wormwood tea. And this is the wormwood that I have right here. Now I use 1 teaspoon of wormwood leaves, steeping them in 1 cup of water for 10 minutes. That's boiled water. And then I drink this tea in the morning, which helps my body paralyze and expel the parasites. By mid-morning, I use 1 teaspoon of pau d'arco bark, adding it to 2 cups of boiled water. I bring it 2 cups of water, then I bring it to a boil and I let it simmer for 20 to 30 minutes. Now this tea supports my immune system and it creates an environment in my gut that is less hospitable to parasites. Now in the afternoon, I prepare dandelion root tea. Now I use 1 teaspoon of the root in 2 cups of water and then I simmer it for 20 minutes. Now this method ensures that the liver supporting compounds are fully extracted, aiding in my body's detoxification process. And in the evening, I use half a teaspoon of neem leaves and half a teaspoon of turmeric. And then I add just a pinch of black pepper, because the black pepper consists of pepperine, and this increases the absorption of curcumin, which is turmeric's active compound. So it makes it more effective. And I steep this combination in hot water for about 10 minutes. Now I keep the dose of the neem leaf small because neem is potent. Half a teaspoon works well for me and it provides strong anti-parasitic support. So I tend to blend the leaves into almost a powder so I get the right dose, because I don't want to overwhelm my body. Now before bed, I take half a teaspoon of black walnut hulls, which I blast in my blender into a powder to get the right dose, and I mix it into water and I drink this on an empty stomach before bed because it supports the cleansing process overnight. Now, just as a note on prepping and storing herbs, depending on my schedule, what I sometimes do is make my herbal teas in advance. So this really helps because I don't want to lose track of what I'm doing and I want to be consistent. So I store them in jars in the refrigerator where they can last for up to 3 days. Now, make sure to use airtight glass to prepare the herbs' potency. So I put them in mason jars. Now I also simmer barks and roots like pau d'arco and dandelion because it breaks down their tough fibres. and it releases more of their active compounds into the water. And this method ensures that I'm getting the maximum benefits during my cleanse. So if you want to source organic and wildcrafted herbs, check out naturalworkshops.com, where you can get all your herbs and make your concoctions. There's plenty of information on the site as well. It's really helpful in terms of looking up remedies as well. But always consult a healthcare professional before starting any detox or using herbs, especially if you're under medical supervision, you have any conditions, and you're taking any medication, pregnant or breastfeeding. Now, before you go, check out the description to learn more about why these herbs are effective and the studies and the science behind them. I put lots of information there for your information, so you understand more about these herbs that can support you. And if you're passionate about natural health, join our live Health Seekers Telegram group. It's free to join, and it's filled with fantastic discussions on well-being and natural remedies, and I'll add the link in the description below. So thank you so much for watching, and if you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, share this video, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any upcoming content on natural solutions for your well-being. So be happy, stay healthy, and always be wise.